said that the video Sarkodie posted on his Instagram was a jab. How do you, okay, Sarkodie is talking to his wife.
Fair enough.
So why do you say it's a jab? Why do you call Sarkodie a hypocrite?
He is.
Nah, you need to apologize to him.
Said they?
Because you actually don't know the backstory of that.
It is not just this. I'm not talking about just this.
What is the other one? Let's the other one. Mention the other one.
My girl. Sarkodie is my person.
So what does it mean?
My person.
What does it mean?
It doesn't mean so you're wrong. I can't say it.
What did you do wrong?
And I am telling you that Sarkodie, why don't say what cool?
What did you do wrong?
Oh, let me talk.
Come on, me. What did he do wrong?
What you say? You are here. No, listen. You want us to follow you. You are here talking about say adieno enyeno. Me say ayeno a. Who issue is aden me standing on this side and you standing on that side.
No,
bro, what the fuck is wrong with you?
No. Joe, wait. No, wait. She said Sarkodie is a hypocrite. I inferred that based on the post because she mentioned that Sarkodie could post bibu on Instagram and okay kutia. And I mentioned that it's not just that. So what else did Sarkodie do that makes Sarkodie
go back and forth with that? But he is.
All right.
I don't have
advance the conversation.
Ghana entertainment industry. Hey, sha. Hey, yo. Hey. Hey, sha. Kwadwo Sheldon Studios air trendy EOT on this one. Ghana entertainment industry. Kwadwo. Na bibia boko de papa na nyame ase na Kwadwo sabi ensema mami etna platform so ekeka che Sarkodie yi Kwadwo ase entwa ye o ana me fam kokote nkotena ase yawo and question ami busa me huni Kwadwo on a normal day wo se yenka no krepa we are sure say sabi nsam na maame ne tena platform ne so ekeka che Sarkodie no wo as a person ubetimi atena KSS akeka sansemi a che Sarkodie menya sure deep inside you o respect Sarkodie and no matter the bebe bia no menya sure say ubetimi akọ that extent no abe disrespect Sarkodie with such words Kwadwo yenka no kre yemfa agronto nche yenka no kre we are sure say Twitter sabi aboy de ba ye any sabi Sarkodie post yi Kwadwo ne reaction na mami e de manu no let's be fair on say more times na na attack as a traditional media days no mo ye bias no mo ye disrespectful no mo ye say wahu traditional media na mo ye entertainment industry no da bia enyame na make come here say new age way dey yen nyina hu say traditional media no na nyoma bi ntwa yi and the question is nyankopon akwase broni ya adoma sabi ogi tumi no e be free traditional media for no ho e de ma internet media yin so no ya gi tumi no free traditional media for yi ho e de ma social media for yin so abekronsa enyoma na ye complaining say traditional media for no enjoy monopoly na omo looking down on the entertainment industry ne wo nyoma na no mo ye na ye hu say ye wrong no to me hu brutal Kwadwo enti scanty na sedanie yawo Kwadwo scanty adwuma wa ye na seda ne sa maami aboy me de ye me wan kakra ne say video no na enye live video okay na e bia enye live streaming bi anu nti no which means post production bia e den akoso omu shuti wie ye no editors atena say omabo playback be 8 or 5 times or whatever times oma edit ya wie anu nti no me ya sure say omu betia na so say chale say ensem say na maame na kan senior yem famra bontinga na say be yenyai me ya sure say okay kasa ansem ne so na scanty ho and me ya sure say scanty so betia na so Kwadwo ensem na akra na kekan ne de opa yem forget video no na yen kwa ni ntwa foforo me sure say be cause so ansa na video na ba abonten. But Kwadwo se wo ntimi nka sansem na ma me ne be ka ye ne nkyere Sarkodie a. Kwadwo nanka say we show some respect. KSS, put some respect on the name of Sarkodie. I find my audience more times now no say Sarkodie miemu no. Kwadwo na say me say Sarkodie cry ye no maybe I think say nyum bi or de ba bonten no or ye jingle bi ma o okra wo bo ani age wa hu me say Sarkodie aba Twitter abe tweet said no you are the man like wefra duma kwadumu like I think so only Sarkodie me who say mikra me who only Sarkodie bromance 1 or 2 bi no me be ye video ka say obede okọ KSS there a long overdue only Kwadwo Sheldon net trans 1-on-1 there a long overdue and you know on taking into consideration on trans monkomo Kwadwo menka say ebi a only Sarkodie trans ya ye bibia ebi ma do dabi but on se ni nyina ka ho an my entertainment industry no eye de Sarkodie ye hypocrite on ifa dia na Sarkodie aya o ye hypocrite dia pa na Sarkodie aya Kwadwo na se danie e wo platform ne so dia na Sarkodie aye ana ma me no ne Sarkodie wo problem bi na ye nima ana se dia boy no enchaye boy enchaye Kwadwo samusi ye nshapi industry na now no muna tumi na bedi mu ho mu betimi aye bibi ama saa lie we no ye free wa akoba bi foforo now no muna mu control the narrative no muna mu kuta numbers no muna obi a hwamo enti Kwadwo se mumu hu se ebi a traditional media for no anye adwuma no in a very professional way ama your entertainment no nanima amanyama Kwadwo this is your time wo so mrenye dia na wo so ye na wa sanitize your space no eya no eya Kwadwo eya ana de ba kwa eya kra ne say so obi a unbuild page da no onye obi platform transona or disrespect amanfo asade no mehu an ma dwen nyina ase obi a on timi build bibia for itself na onye obi hustle or transona or chesa say na bibi ya yeme me hu bibi sa na bibi ya yeme Sarkodie any stand tall trans 1-on-1 e London sa interview no ode onya time ko hwesa interview no Sarkodie kasai Sarkodie can say be about the media personalities ne commentators ne pundits ne sanyoma no so bi ho a watena local platform bi so sa on try nko ba bi foforo bi akra da oni experience bia wo wiase but sankrofo ne kasa asema Sarkodie kan bi na asi dia pa na Sarkodie e dia ye maami sabi odina kwotena Kwadwo Sheldon ho twa da pai dia pa na Sarkodie dia no Sarkodie nim ni wayefa Kwadwo mumu sa maame no se bia one Sarkodie obibi ne yenim dia okay ene omra bonte meka se bia one Sarkodie o pass history bia yenim anti no e bia ne ho obufo hye mu anu nti na bia wakotena wa okeka nsem na okeka kire no se Sarkodie emiem a otenchen ya onte ase obeka se bia obede kire ne ho anase bibisa o sheto na maame ni di kasa ene maame energy a sabi odi gina Sarkodie kon so emia ne kon ya money be na Sarkodie dia no sabi stone boy na abeka na asem even stone boy kwa ma obi adin Sarkodie so in post ono so ma obi adin eya no eya Kwadwo manimra bonten na o me pasa Sarkodie achew because wan kasa ye we asem no ekọ ba bia odi fo because Sarkodie nya ne hwe de na Sarkodie de aye no Sarkodie nya ne hwe Kwadwo se wo ntimi nka nsem na ono ka kire Sarkodie na Kwadwo no wa ma ma bonten a me pasa Sarkodie achewa, which means ensama Kwadwo ebi ehye omu wona pesa okache Sarkodie na untimi enu nti na bia wa ron pa boade ahye ne se ono metena o platform ne so meka ensa ansem ne nche Sarkodie. Yes, yen ka no kre ade mo busa Sarkodie so nya bibi mamu no wanye na mode ne ho tan ahye mu anase de on say ye entertainment space na no akoye anka wo dan a wo se contractor na nitine on say anytime a individual bi abe attack ye musicians no na obi atwi nani enu ti obi atimi take any musician on no obi Canada power but disrespect no onya ne hwe yaw no eya no say no what be say no who are eya and coming from a platform like Kwadwo Sheldon I am ya more